So today we are in my tiny little home office. This is a tiny little space which I have only recently started using. Because I have only started using this space very recently, my requirements and needs from this space have changed, and in order to incorporate all my new requirements, I added a few shelves in this room. Now the shelves were added fairly quickly, but after that I was pretty lazy and pretty busy. So junk started piling on and a lot of rubbish started building up, and I said enough is enough. It's high time I actually convert these shelves into the image that I had in my head. So in this video today we are styling my bookshelves and trying to make it look beautiful but also be very functional. So let's roll our sleeves and get going. So this is the status of my shelves to start with. There's a whole pile of stuff that doesn't need to be on the shelves there, whereas all my books and magazines are stored in the cupboard under the shelves. Now the whole idea is to get these books out of the cupboard and place them on the shelves above, and use the empty cupboard space to organize other things that I require in my office area. So step number 1 is to clear out the shelves. Oops! But it was saved. So these are all the things that came off of my bookshelf. There are books, of course, but there are plenty of other things that are not supposed to actually be there. Like these magazine cuttings. And some birthday decorations don't need to be here. So I'm going to sort these things out in things that I don't need in this room at all, things that need to be on the bookshelf, and things that need to be elsewhere in this room. And of course trash. So the next step now is to take everything out of the cupboard that I want to empty out. All my books are taken out. I'm going to sort these into piles of self-development books, books on business. The biggest pile is books on health and fitness and beauty. And I'm sorting them out as per topics. You could even sort them out as per colors or as per size, however you want to place them on the bookshelf. I thought topic wise would be the most convenient for me. You can see the cooking books is the smallest pile because I'm not really into cooking, and then there's another pile of books which are autobiographies. And so now I'm ready to start arranging the books on these shelves. So I have placed books according to topic, and I have placed some of them horizontally and some of them vertically. I feel like this helps you avoid that school library kind of a look. I've also left spaces between these piles of books to just give it a very clean and clutter-free look. So I hope you're enjoying the process of transforming my bookshelves, and if you are, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So now come the magazines, and I have tons of them. I even have 5-6-year-old issues of Vogue. I love collecting them, get a lot of inspiration from them. These I'm placing on the top shelf, and I have so many of them that I feel like I need to get rid of some of them. So I'm looking at them to see. This bazaar has tons of beautiful images, can't get rid of this. But all these other magazines I am saying goodbye to finally after years. So this is what the bookshelf looks like, ready to add some layers and decor to this bookshelf. And starting with my dream cutout. A lot of people have asked me where I got it from. I have got it made by a vendor. I also have a believe and a love sign in the same way. So I'm placing the believe on the shelf on top. So one tip I would give you is to do a little bit of decor and take a few steps back and analyze what you have done. Look at it from different angles, and sometimes you will want to change your mind and put something else in place of what you initially did. So do that. I would even say look at it the next day and the day after, and you will keep getting new, better, improved ideas. keep changing things up. That's the beauty of decor. I'm placing some vintage brass glasses, some candles, just to add some drama and beauty and serene and calm to my workspace. I have placed these red tiny boxes, yes, these are little sindoor danis, I believe, on the shelf intermittently just to add, interest to the shelf. And I have placed these beautiful vintage glasses, which, if you want to shop the sindoor danis, the red color boxes, or these vintage glasses, the link is in the description box below. These are rare vintage finds. So these Christmas boxes now become storage for my camera equipment, and between these zigzag boxes and the photo frames that I have placed are hidden the switchboard, the wires and all things ugly. So this is what the shelves looked like before and now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Do give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye.